Okay, recently I tried to make a video doing the chainmail, doing a necklace. You know, I'm making a necklace using chainmail. I'm doing a Byzantine bird cage chainmail, but the lighting was poor. I'm trying another one to see if this works. Hopefully this lighting works. So this is the one I made. It's a necklace. And so I'm making another one. It's silver, sterling silver, 18 gauge, size number 4 jump rings. And so I did a video cutting the coils. These are the coils I make, and then I cut them. I use a saw blade to cut them, the jewelry saw blade to cut them in jump rings, individual jump rings. And so this is how I do it. I need more. I need more lighting, believe it or not. Okay, so here, let's go. So usually I open them up. I need equal number opened and equal number closed. Hope it shows up. It's one of the problems. I noticed it's silver. It didn't show up. It shows up with I don't know if I need a special camera or a special lens, but I'm using my iPhone. When I use the SLR camera, it doesn't show up at all. It's very difficult to get it to. Probably need a special lens. You see, I'm just learning how to do videos. I'm not a photographer. Okay, so I opened these. These are opened. If I can see them. And then I'm gonna close these an equal number. Yes, when I click like that, that means it's closed. I have to close them very tightly. Shouldn't be an opening in the seam. And so that's what I'm trying to do. Close tightly. Okay. All right, so I'll continue with this. The original video I made, I had just started, but this one I've already started it. So okay, so the idea is having 3. I work with 3 double jump rings like this. Hopefully it shows up. 1, 2, 3. And at this point I'm going to make one of those bird cages. And so I flip them over like this, flip them over, and then I open these 2 to get the opening, and then through that opening I put one of the opened jump ring through that opening, and then I close it up. Okay, and so to keep it open so I don't get lost and it doesn't, I use this needle tool just so that I can see the opening. I'm going to put another jump ring, an open jump ring, right through that opening. The opening that I put that first jump ring. Open jump ring. Here we go. Put another one. Oh, wait a minute. I hope it shows up because I'm seeing that the lighting is not as effective as I would like. Okay, so come on. So I put it through those 2 openings, and then I use the pliers to close them. You want to close them as tightly as possible. That clicking sound is an indication that they've joined together. You want a seamless join. Okay, as much as possible. Okay, so then I have the beginning of the next 3. So I need 3 more sets of jump ring. So there's one of the 3, one set of the 3. And now I get an open jump ring, and then I put 2 closed jump rings through this. So an open one, and then I put 2 through it, and then I put it through that the 2 on the chain, the existing chain. Okay, and this is what happens. It's easy to fall apart because I lost control of it, and then it's difficult to find which one was the one I just put in. Okay, let's see. have to use this light here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, okay, so here we have the 3 sets of jump rings, but one is missing, so I have to put another one to make it double. Here are the 3 sets. There, 1, 2, 3. So now I need to add another one in the middle to make it double. So here I go, and I use this. It's an earring I used just to hold it together. You have to improvise just to hold it together so that whatever works to keep it together. Okay, so here I'm holding it together now just so that I can see how to add this open jump ring, one here and then one here. Oops, that's like it fell off. I have to hold it. Okay, so I add one here in this one, the first one on top, and then I come down and add it into the, oops, okay. I'm having a hard time here. Okay, so I have had one here in the first one on top, and then I come down and add another. I had it in the third double ring, double jump ring, and then I close it up. Okay, so now we have another third. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3 to make another cage, bird cage. So first again I do this, I open. Okay, we have 3. So I have these 2 here, and I hold it like this, and I hold on to the last of the 3, and I open it, the top 2, open, okay, I open, oh come on, I open the top 2 to reveal the 2 underneath, and then there I open it to reveal these 2 here, this opening, and so that's where I'm going to put one of the open jump ring, right through here, right through these 2 under here. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. Oops. Okay, I have to find it. Can't afford to lose them. Okay. So I put it through these 2. Here we go. Okay. And then I close it. Okay. Close it. Okay. And after closing it, I have a problem here. I think one. Okay, okay, something went wrong here. Okay, here we go. But I think one isn't closed properly, I noticed. Let's make sure it's closed. Very important that they get closed properly. Okay. All right, so I found it. Here we go. And so that's why I use this to hold it, this earring, to hold it so that I can see the opening that I'm going to put the next one in. Here's the opening. Oh, the camera shows it. Okay, so now I'm going to get another open jump ring, one of the open jump rings. And I'm going to put it through that opening. And now I'm going to close it. And I have to hold it under this light because the only way I can see it really. Okay, there we go. And so now I'm gonna add, that's the first of the three chains, three double jump rings that I need. That's one set of the three. So I need to add two more of the double jump rings to make three. I mean, yeah, two double jump rings. Okay, so I pick up one of the open jump ring, and then I add two of the closed jump rings to that, and then I add it to that, the double jump ring that I had there. I just applied from the new, to make the new the last cage that I made. Okay, now I'm making another cage, so I need 3 jump rings. And the last, I think I need to, this one isn't closed properly. Let's see if I can find it. Find the end. Find the join. Sometimes it's difficult to see the joining. Okay, I guess it's all right. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, but one of the has only one single jump ring, so I need to add the other one. So I pick up one of the opened one, and I put it through here, the first one, and then through the third double. Let's put it this way. Let's try it again. I put it through the first one, the first of the double on top that I have my earrings in. Put it through that one, and then the third of the double. Okay, if I can get it done, it would be helpful. Okay, so here we go. I put it through the first of the double, and then to the third of the double, the last of the third double, if that makes any sense. And then I close it up. Okay, so now we have another 3. 1, 2, 3. And so I do another. It's one time to make another cage, because now I have 3 double jump rings. So now I hold it here, hold it there at the last of the 3 double. Then I open the top one, and then here I'm seeing, open the top one, flip it over, and hold it there. Now I hold them together, and then I open here. Wait a minute, just a moment, I think I make a mistake here. Okay, I hold it, those 2, then I open these 2 here, and there's an opening. There's an opening, so I put that there to identify the opening, and through that opening, I'm going to put 2 of the opened jump rings. But I usually hold it like this to find the opening. Here we go, it's easier this way. Okay, there we go. I put it through that opening, and now I close it. Okay, that's close. And so I use this to hold it just to make sure it doesn't get lost in the pile. So I can see the opening to put the other one, the other open jump ring. Here we go. And so I'm going to put it through the same opening that I put that one in. Here we go. So those double opening, and I close it. Make sure it's secure, and then I come. And so here I have, there's one of the cages, bird cage, and then I have two more to start the 3 double jump rings, double set of jump rings. Okay, so now I'm going to do another set. So I take one of the open jump ring and I put it, add 2 closed jump rings to it, and I add it to the first of the double, that's in the cage, the bird cage, and I close it up. Okay, and now I have 3 sets, except that this one needs another one to make it double. So I go to one of the open jump rings and I put it in the first one, and then I put it in the last of those double jump rings. First one, and then I put it in the last. Oops. Okay, that's not working too well. Okay, let's get it again. Okay, so I do this. I put it in the first of the double, and then I put it in the last of the, oops, sometimes my hand slips, it's a little bit awkward. Okay, I went in just to find it. And the last of the double, let's see, here we go, and then I close it. It seems very clumsy, but when I'm doing it and not talking, it goes much faster. And when I'm sitting at my desk over there, my work desk, I'm sitting at where I do the pottery. This is my pottery desk, and so the lighting is a little bit more difficult to maneuver. All right, so now I have 3. Okay, and so that's it. I'm going to stop the camera.